Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the fuses and the relays for the fuel pump control module are located, some of them are extremely hidden, make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Well guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So for the fuel pump control module guys, which fuses and relays we need to check? Some of them are extremely hidden, make sure to stay until the end. We'll work in multiple fuse boxes, but what do we need to do now? First, we'll demonstrate on that BMW X3 and X4, they're built on the same platform, so it should work for both. What we guys need to do, open the trunk, and in the trunk you see that cover on the side, pull it, lift that insulation, and behind it guys you're going to find a fuse box with a layout that will look like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad, and let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys, you practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So we'll talk about fuses first, then we'll talk about relays as well guys, but these fuses, relays that will show control the fuel system, fuel pump control module, injectors, pressure sensor, fuel oil pressure sensor, direct injection, multiple things. And here the first one that we need to check, okay, let me come back here, zoom in a little bit, and if you come in that row of fuses right here, you start counting, that's 137, 138, 139. That's the one that you need to check. Then we have one more that we need to check, that's known as 184. This is the main fuse here. Now guys, there are some hidden things as well. If you open the hood on the driver's side here, you see that stores your windshield. Remove that cover. Underneath you're going to find the brake fluid reservoir. Here you have one white cover. Pull the clip out. We have a video how to do that if you need help with it. Behind that white cover you have a hidden fuse box that's known as integrated power supply module right here. Now you see that profile, you have hidden fuses. Okay, if you remove it, it looks like this one. If you open that box, most of the times you just replace the whole assembly, but it's fixable. You can open it. We will have a video how to do that on the channel. Inside you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fuses and 3 relays. Those are for engine management. If you have problems with fuel pump, injectors, control modules, pressure sensors, anything like that, you need to check these fuses. If one of those is bad, okay, you may have that problem, guys, and these relays here will need to be checked as well. Those are the main things that we always check if we have problems on that BMW X3, X4. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.